You guys, welcome to the new studio. I didn't think there was gonna be any better video to unveil this studio with, because the sneakers we're talking about today, people are starting to call them some bricks. Always remember, you guys, chase your dreams, because if you don't, one day somebody's gonna hire you to help chase theirs. And of course, you guys, never stop dreaming, because a life without dreams isn't really much. Let's go ahead, let's get into this video.
Yeah, he got kicks. Ball like swish. I don't miss. Don't do bricks. He got kicks. The kid is sick. Team with Rob, cause he got hits. He got kicks.
What is up, YouTube? I'm Hegotkickz. Welcome to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, that we get all the notifications every time I drop one of these bangers for you guys. Hit the like button, hit the share button, do all those great things for me. Follow me on Instagram at therealhegotkickz, and of course the hat page Perfectbrimz, and TikTok Hegotkickz95. You guys, today is the very first video on this channel in the new studio. Wanted to welcome you guys. There's still a little bit to do, still of course a long way to go. A couple things I want to change here or there, but I wanted to show you guys what I've been working on for some time. Like I said, there was no better video to start it out with. And again, if you guys are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. And again, everything I ask y'all for is for free. Comment in the comment section down below. Do you guys think this is going to be the sneaker of the year? And of course, hit that like button. And if you are on mobile, hit the hype button as well. Everything counts, pushing the video out just a little bit further into the algorithm. I honestly think the sneaker that we're talking about today is 100% going to be in the sneaker of the year conversation. I don't think anybody can disagree with that. Will they go back to back though? That is the actual question. Want to give a huge shout out to my guy Blessed Up Kicks. My guy definitely threw the Brandon Goodwin behind the back pass for the jam right there. I definitely made sure to finish that assist for sure, because this right here is definitely one that I know a lot of you guys have been waiting to see, and I'm glad we're here today to show you. So without further ado, let's go ahead, let's get into it. All right, you guys, so we have the box right here, as you guys can see. Shout out to Blessed Up Kicks once again. He was able to get this out to me overnight, so that right there is absolutely dope. Again, this is one that I've tried to get. Ended up bought one prior. They didn't ship it. We all knew how that was gonna go, but now we have them in hand. Here you guys see it, Bike Air right here. These these might be some bricks. And of course, we're gonna read this off like normal. It's the Air Jordan 4 Retro OG SPBA. The official color is Sail, Cinnabar, Anthracite in a size 10. Style number is IQ8055, color code 100. Show y'all the label right now. And on the count of three, you guys, we are gonna do this like always. 1, 2, and as you guys can see, they're individually wrapped. So, and of course we have 3. And here you guys have them, the Air Jordan 4 Nigel Sylvester, brick after brick. Right here is absolutely insane, you guys. This one, I love this shoe from official images. Again, I know a lot of people are going to say, oh, they look just like Fire Red 4s, and well, I can see that, but it is still a completely different shoe, you guys. Completely different shoe. You do have the Bike Air hang tag right here on the side. You also have the Bike Air right here on the back. The back tab, honestly, really feels like it has like that brick rough material. That, again, I love that. All the little details about it. Of course, you do have an extra set of laces right here. You do have a black set, which again, I will probably be keeping the white set in. The lace tips on all of them will say brick, which I think again is a very, very dope touch. On the back, you do have Jordan Biking Co. I think it's 2017. Yeah, upside down, of course, just like every other Jordan 4 will be. On the bottom, you do have the Nike swoosh and the Nike with, of course, it's in white. You do have a little bit of black, red, and white on the bottom as well. Again, the leather quality, I will say, on this shoe is nuts, you guys. It really feels super, super soft. even on the upper right here by the ankle, even on the toe box. Again, the netting you guys can see, it does have that sail look right there. Some people may hate that. Some people may hate the sail on the midsole and everything. But me, I really like it. Again, the black on the midsole is just, again, a nice little touch. You do also have that little red Nike swoosh right there on the side of the toe box. Again, I know a lot of you guys may not agree with me, but I think, again, I absolutely love it. I really like this shoe a lot. Is it worth the price that I paid for it? No, it's not. As we know, everything has a price, and what somebody's willing to pay for it is what it is worth to them. And I wanted to give you guys an early look. We do have both the shoes right here, boom and boom. You also do get a red set of laces, which have already come out of the packaging. Of course, it's red, it has the brick and white. And again, the insoles on these, I will show you guys really quick. Again, this is one that I absolutely love, because if you pull it out, you will see one has the Go and the Bike Air. The other one, of course, has Nigel Sylvester on it as well. They absolutely killed this. I think this was a great sneaker, and putting his own kind of touch on an OG colorway kind of. And yeah, honestly, if I'm Nike, I'm probably gonna go ahead and give Nigel basically a blank check. You know, he's killing it marketing, he's absolutely killing it. And again, his sneakers, they all do extremely well. They all do extremely well. Doesn't matter which one it is. The Jordan 4 RMs that dropped did great. All the Jordan 1s did great. The Jordan 4 so far have done great. So I don't think that's going to change. But in my opinion, you guys, I think they did it again. I do. Let me know in the comment section down below. Do you guys think that they did it once again, that these are going to be sneaker of the year? I'm genuinely curious. Again, I think this is definitely going to have a chance. At the end of the day, I really love this shoe. I think it is great. I think that they probably will get sneaker of the year again. There's a lot of other sneakers that are probably going to be in the running, but I think these will probably take the crown once again. These things are absolutely beautiful. I love them. Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think. Is this going to be a pickup? Are you guys willing to pay? What resale are you willing to pay? I'm really curious about that because I don't think any of us are really going to get for retail. But I'm genuinely curious, is this something you guys are looking forward to? Are you guys, of course, just not even going to try because you guys think they're going to be nothing but resellers? Is there going to be sneakers at release where you go after that? I'm genuinely curious. There's a lot of question marks on this. It is a May 22nd release. Again, pushback a week later was the Travis Scotts and everything. So we all figured that was going to happen. They weren't going to try to compete with the Nigels. But in my opinion, absolutely a great sneaker. Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think. Are y'all going after them? Are y'all not? Love you guys. Appreciate y'all. And again, I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.